Thirdly, invest in yourself. Take advantage of opportunities for education and skill building that can increase your earning potential. Let's say you are working in the competitive industry where having specialized skills can significantly boost your earning potential. Hello, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to talk about something that many of you have asked about: how to start from the bottom and work your way up to achieve financial success. If you are ready to take control of your financial future, you are in the right place. I'm Korianne, your guide to smart real estate investment and achieve financial independence. If you found value along this video, I would greatly appreciate if you could hit the like and subscribe buttons to support my channel. Your support means everything to me, and thank you for doing that. Starting from the bottom can be daunting, but it's also a perfect opportunity to lay a solid foundation for your financial journey. Let's dive into some strategy to help you get started. Firstly, set clear goals. Whether it's paying off debts, saving for a down payment on a home, or starting an emergency fund, having specific achievable goals will keep you motivated and focused. Allow me to share an example. When I began struggling multiple jobs during college, to ensure I could cover all my expenses, I meticulously calculated how many hours I could commit to working each week to achieve this goal and avoid accumulating debt. Initially, balancing nearly 30 hours of work per week alongside full-time studies felt incredibly overwhelming. However, despite the challenges, I completed 2 degrees without incurring any student debts. During my time in college, I aimed to steer clear of any credit or consumer debts. Establishing a committed goals allowed me to formulate a clear plan and diligently work toward achieving them. If you currently have consumer debts that you are eager to clear before diving into investing, it's essential to formulate a plan today. Set concrete goals for paying off these debts and establish a clear timeline for accomplishing them. For example, let's say you want to pay off $10,000 in credit card debts. Break that goal down into a smaller, manageable milestones, like paying off $500 each month. You know you can pay this balance within 2 years. Be sure to celebrate this small victory once you have paid off this balance, as you will be gearing up to tackle the next major milestone, saving for your first investment property. Am I right? By the way, I make the video on strategy on how to pay off debts fast, and I put the link in the description for you to watch later if you would like. Next, live below your means. This means spending less than you earn and finding ways to cut unnecessary expenses. Let's say you earn $3,000 per month after taxes. Living below your means entails spending less than this amount to ensure financial stability and room for savings. Firstly, you could create a budget allocating a portion of your income to essential expenses such as rent, utilities, grocery, and transportation. Let's allocate $1,500 to cover these necessities. Next, consider discretionary spending. Identify areas where you can cut back without sacrificing your quality of life. For instance, instead of dining out frequently, you could limit restaurant meals to special occasions and cook meals at home more often, and even healthier too. By reducing discretionary spending, you could aim to allocate $500 per month to non-essential expenses. Lastly, prioritizing saving and investing. Allocate a portion of your remaining income, let's say $500, to savings and investments. This could go toward building an emergency fund, contributing to a retirement account, or investing in stock or mutual funds, or saving for a down payment on your first home or an investment property. In this example, by living below your means and allocating your income wisely, you can ensure financial stability, reducing financial stress, and work toward achieving your long-term financial goals. Be mindful of daily spending and look for opportunity to save money, whether it's just by cooking at home, like I said earlier, instead of eating out, canceling unused subscriptions, or shopping for deals and discounts. I remember the only thing that I had in recurring expenses was my gym membership. I do believe health is wealth. And by exercising each morning, get my focus and energy to run my day effectively, because I have a long day every day between classes and my job. I did not have a cable TV or any entertainment services for my apartment. I remember that my enjoyment was working out at the gym or taking a walk around the neighborhood lakes. Look for activities that you can enjoy without spending money on them when you just start out. Do you really need a vacation when you cannot afford it, but use a credit card to pay for it? This may not be a wise thing to do. Thirdly, invest in yourself. Take advantage of opportunities for education and skill building that can increase your earning potential. Let's say you are working in the competitive industry where having specialized skills can significantly boost your earning potential. You have been considering pursuing further educations or obtaining certifications to enhance your qualifications and advance your career. After researching available options, you decide to enroll in a professional certification program related to your field. This program requires financial investment upfront, but you view it as an opportunity to acquire valuable skills and knowledge that can lead to higher paying job opportunity in the future. Over the next several months, you dedicate your time and effort to completing the program, attending classes, studying, and completing assignments. Along the way, you gain new insights, develop expertise in specialized area, and expand your professional network through interaction with instructors and fellow students. Who knows, you may find a business partner with whom you can start a company with in the future. Allow me provide an example. During my tenure in my initial corporate job, I seized the opportunity to enroll in the Employee Career Advancement Program, where I undertook several certification classes. Upon completing the certification program, I promptly updated my resumes and embarked on a proactive job searching aligned with my newly acquired skills. These efforts bore fruit when I received a job offer that not only presented challenges for my professional development, but also came with a substantial 40% increase in annual income thanks to my enhanced qualifications. I was able to secure a higher paying position with superior growth prospects compared to my previous role. As a result, investing in yourself through education and skill building, you not only increase your earning potential, but also open doors to new career opportunities and a long-term financial success. Whether it's learning a new trade, obtaining certifications, or pursuing higher educations, investing in yourself is one of the best investments you can make. Finally, prioritize self-education on particular investment tool. Why saving money mark a crucial initial step? Relying on the 1% annual return won't prosper significantly to our financial journey. With a 3% annual inflation rate our saving risks losing purchasing power over time. Consequently, the next crucial step involves dedicating time to learning one specific investment skill to grow your saving. Initiate with even a minimal amount, like investing $1 with a rate of return at 7%, you can earn $2 after 10.2 years. Leveraging the power of compounding over time set you on trajectory toward ensure financial prosperity, whether navigating the equity market or real estate. Familiarize yourself with available investment tools. Even if delegating management to others, it remains your responsibility to thoroughly understanding the investment landscape, ensuring you can make informed and prudent decisions. Starting from the bottom up may not be easy, but with determination, discipline, and the right strategy, you can achieve financial success. I promise you will. Remember, it's a journey, not a sprint. What are your thoughts on starting from the bottom up? Have you implemented any of this strategy in your own life yet that I just shared? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comment below. If you find value in this video, then support us by clicking the like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more valuable tips on personal finance and cash flow real estate investing. Until next time, successful investing in yourself and your financial future. Ciao.